In fact, the first part of this question is pretty simple. What we need to do is just to discuss about these vectors A and B if A cross B happen to be equal to 0. Wait, let me just show you my analysis. Wait, if I were to just look at the left hand side. On the left hand side, we have A cross B, and according to the definition that we have discussed before in our topic outline, A cross B is modulus of A, modulus of B, sine theta, and then multiply by a unit vector that is perpendicular to both A and B. Which means that in order for A cross B to be equal to 0, okay, there are a few possibilities, and that is going to form for me the basis of my discussion regarding this vector A and B. First of all, if A cross B is going to be equal to 0, one possibility is when sine theta is equal to 0. When will sine theta be equal to 0? That is when theta is equal to 0. When theta is equal to 0, what does it tell me about the two vectors here? That means the angle that is between the two vectors must be 0, which means that A and B, they must be parallel to each other. That is why one of the things that we can discuss about these vectors A and B, if A cross B is equal to 0, is that A and B, possibly they are parallel to each other. Another thing that we can discuss, right, it is other than having sine theta to be equal to 0, I can have modulus of A to be 0 or modulus of B to be equal to 0. And that would tell us that in order for A cross B to be equal to 0, other possibilities will be when A happen to be a 0 vector, or B happen to be a 0 vector, or it just so happen that both A and B are 0 vectors.